two questions on this paper, and the first one is PQR is a, I'm just going to say PQR are points on the circle, SP is a tangent to the circle, okay, and RQ equals PQ. And so we've got to prove that y equals 90 degrees minus x, but we haven't actually got any, okay, so what do we have here? So I think it might be that this here is, this is the alternate segment, so I think that's 2x. And then that means that that also equals y. So we know, based on that, that 2x plus 2y equals 180. Now we just need to find out, now we just need to do whatever we can to get that into this format here. So because this is the alternate segment, I think it's that goes in there. Now, that means that we solve for y by going 2y equals 180 minus 2x. Oh, and the reason why that's the case is that we know that a triangle angles add to 180. Okay, so 2y equals that, and let's divide everything through by 2. So 180 divided by 2 is 90, and 2x divided by 2 is x. And that kind of solves that a little bit too quickly, I suspect, but there we go. Secondly, oh, this looks a little bit more chunky. So work out root 2, I'm just going to write this because I seem to be doing really badly on putting things so that I can actually read them. So root 2, and then that was 13 over 16 minus, I think it's 2 over 5. Yeah, that's true. I'm just 2 over root 5. Okay, so before we do anything with the root 2, I'm going to do two things. I'm going to times it out, so 2 times 16 is 32 plus 35. So on top, I've now got root 45. So that's 2 times 16 is 32, plus 13 is 45 over 16. Minus, and then 2 over root 5, you can't really leave the root 5 on the bottom, so I'm going to times this on its own by root 5 over root 5, which is the same as timesing by 1. So that equals the root of 45 over 16 minus, and then that will be 2 root 5 over 5. Okay, I'm happy with that. Now I'm going to change out the root. So I'm going to make it root 45 over 4, because the root of 16 is 4, minus 2 root 5 over 5. Now, root 45 is divisible by 9, so I could make root 45 root 9 root 5 over 4 minus 2 root 5 over 5, which equals 3 root 5 over 4 minus 2 root 5 over 5. We can't do anything now until we've got a 4 and 5 won't work with each other, so we're going to have to use a common denominator, and the common denominator for 4 and 5 is 20. So I'm going to put 20 here, I'm going to put 20 here. So 4 goes into 25 times, so that's 15 root 5, because I've times the 3 by 5. 5 goes in 4 times, so I'm timesing 2 by 4, which is 8 root 5. And then that equals 7 root 5 over 20, and I don't think there's an awful lot we can do with that. So that's that. Oh, and that's the end of the page.